This is Arcus Cloud Nerd Weather, and we're going to talk about a little bit of a shift in our weather pattern. We're starting to get more of these like daily thunderstorms kind of situations where we get the heating of the day, the rising motion, and we get a thunderstorm that goes up. And then as soon as we start losing the heating, they come down. But these thunderstorms aren't the kind of thunderstorms that move quickly. Most of these thunderstorms are coming in, they're going up, and they're kind of training, and they're not moving fast. So they've been dumping a lot of heavy rain. Now, our temperatures have been in the 80s. And typically around here in Kent, we're supposed to be about 84. And so basically it's not been every day, but it's been some days where we've had some thunderstorms that have come up and they haven't moved very quickly. Some places like Kelly's Island, I think one night got like 6 inches of rain or something. That's pretty crazy. And then we've had an inch or two of rain here. So when you have these kinds of summertime thunderstorms, which are typical this time of year, what tends to happen is they not only like to sit, but they like to dump so much rain that it's like it's not even stopping. And so what can you do to be prepared for those things? Well, watch the weather. Make sure you tune into your local meteorologist. And when in doubt, don't drive through flooded roadways. It's dangerous. So basically, that's all I have for this section of the video. So for the next parts of this video, we're going to go through some time lapses. And then that'll be it. So let's turn our attention to the time lapses.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be